Da 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 dun dun.
English is filled with words that sound similar or even the same, but are actually different in how they are spelled and what they mean. These words are called homophones, and in this video we are going to look at another 5 of the most commonly confused words in English. This is part 2 of my commonly confused words in English series, so be sure to watch number 1 if you haven't done so already. Before we get started, please take a second to smash the like button and subscribe to see more of my videos. It really does help the channel and you will be my hero every time you like my videos. Now without further ado, here are 5 most commonly confused words in English. Number 1 is accept and accept. To accept means to take, something like a gift or a responsibility, and is used as a verb. Accept, on the other hand, usually functions as a conjunction or preposition and means to exclude something. Examples include, I accept your offer, and everyone was talking except John. Number 2 is hear and hear. To hear means to listen to a sound and is used as a verb. Hear functions as an adverb and refers to the place where you are presently. Examples include, I hear the birds singing, and please come over here. Number 3 is flee and flee. To flee means to run away from something and is used as a verb. The noun flea refers to a small jumping insect found on animals. Number 4 is hour and hour. An hour is a measurement of time, which is equal to 60 minutes and is an abstract noun. Hour is a possessive pronoun used when referring to something that is shared between people. Number 5 is plain and plain. Plain can be used in many ways. As an adjective, it means something is simple or uncomplicated. As a noun, plain refers to a flat area of land. And as an adverb, plain is used to add emphasis to a negative quality. The other version of plain can be used as a noun to refer to an airplane or a level surface. It can also be used as a verb to refer to the act of creating a level surface. That's it for this video, folks. Thanks for tuning in and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of my videos. See you again next time.